crib, tryna be a trap nigga. Now I got me some floor seats at the game, tryna go bad nigga. Got me feeling like Spike Lee on the wood, smoking on Pat nigga. Drunk texting my wifey, so I know I'll get a text back nigga. 45 on my white tee, used to have this shit up on the dash nigga. Got a lot on my psyche, on my mind, I ain't talking hats nigga. Like I said on that Syfy, when I train I tend to overlap niggas. Heard them niggas wanna fight me, we grown, I don't really scrap nigga. Through a lot of forgetting to pray, like what do I say, I know what I want when I get it today, but I've been afraid, that maybe I won't, I'm no longer afraid, I used to be 14 in the crib, trying to be a trap nigga. Now I got me some floor seats at the game, trying to go bad nigga. Got me feeling like Spike Lee on the wood, smoking on Pat nigga. Drunk texting my wifey, so I know baby, walk through, but he know. Ay, walk through with her attitude. Gucci on the neck, I can't be mad at you. Yeah, I just do the shit I feel I had to do. Visa swipe every time she get a mad at you. Yeah, and baby got an attitude. Okay, little baby got an attitude. Yeah, but shawty on my latitude. Okay, little baby on my latitude. Yeah, baby, I've been grinding all week. Please, I just spent some money on this fleece. I just spent a couple $100 on some weed. I know you wanna lie, but you won't get this shit from me, yeah. And they know I'm steady rockin'. I be in the kitchen, Betty Crockett. Stop. When I'm working, she be out shopping. Visa swipe every time it never stop. I wanna cop a new Balenciaga, Fendi with the Prada. I don't want no problems. Baby, pull up with the Merc, call me like a goddess. But I just remember she gon' use my card to copy. Picture that in crop, but the bullshit and nonsense. Toxic, I'm about my Fetty, I be whopping. 10 whole bands, what I gave her in the Molly. She just came back looking for another option. Stop. Ay, walk through with her attitude. Gucci on the neck, I can't be mad at you. Yeah, I just do the shit I feel I had to do. Visa swipe every time she get a mad at you. Yeah, and baby got an attitude. Okay, little baby got an attitude. Yeah.
Left to bleed, huh? Don't know why you said you loved me. It is expensive. It is expensive. Needed some space.
You said you need a space, you said you need a place for you to lay your head, for you to take a break. I said I understand, but that's a lie, I can't live without you, I'm terrified of the man I am. But headed south, but Los Angeles wasn't what I planned. Crash landed in paradise right on Western Ave. I tried to break my fall, but I just broke my hands. It went wrong, I'm sorry I couldn't get you back. Communication was breaking and we could not relax. Then we relapsed and I find you back in my bed at last. So
don't take your love from me, no. Don't take your love from me, no. Don't take your love from me. I've been watching you change, and I don't think it's a fake. Just tell me what I can do now, 'cause I don't want this to end up the same. No, baby, don't take your love from me. Don't take your love from me. Don't take your love.
I done been through a lot, through the struggle, I built myself. Now a nigga like the man of the year. But it's crazy, I can throw a stack of dubs in the club next day to a show and it'll all reappear. I remember I ain't house shit. Now I can go and spend a few racks on my ears. And if you want smoke, then it's up there. Ain't no nigga alive in this world, I fear. But look at my wrist, it's dancing. Chop on me, do damage, oh. New LA crib or mansion. My money keep expanding, oh. And yo, bitch taking my candies. And she in my bedroom dancing, oh. Sorting through my finances. Investing on my advances, oh. Like what you need, I'm just what you need, yeah. I don't sip lean, but I can turn your bitch to
about society. Do you wanna hear some irony? I don't like going out, but I don't wanna stay at home. Laying here thinking about the things I hate. Staring at a screen till my mind goes blank. It's the same every day. In control. In control.
Yeah. I've been feeling like I lost my mind now. Every mountain that I had to climb, I'm bona fide. I'm dying every day. I'll never be